Hi, this is Keith from Pharmacy-Tech-Study.com, and this video is about question number 2 on quiz number 9. And the question reads, your retail pharmacy sells products at 25% markup over wholesale plus a set dispensing fee of $2.85. The total retail cost at pickup for 90 tablets of a particular drug is $119.85. What is your pharmacy's wholesale cost per tablet? Alright, so what we know is the total cost for the 90 tablets at pickup is $119.85. Okay, and then we also know that in there's a $2.85 dispensing fee, and that is not marked up or part of the wholesale cost of the tablets. So let's go ahead and back that out. So we'll subtract $2.85. Okay, and when we do that, we get $117 even. So at this point, what I'd like to do is I want to know how much the cost with the 25% is for each tablet. And so from there, you just divide that by 90, and that will tell us how much each tablet is. So it's $1.30. Okay, so just from a point of strategy, this still has the 25% markup built into it. But if you look at your available answers for question 2, there's only one answer that's under $1.30, and since our answer has to be less than $1.30, then you could confidently pick that answer and move on to your next question and save lots of time. But if you're unsure, or if it wasn't that simple as far as your answers go, the way that you back out a percentage out of a number, in this case 25%, is you divide it by 1 and then a decimal and then that percentage, in this case 1.25. So when you divide $1.30 by 1.25, you get $1.04. Okay, and so that's the way you do it right there. Okay, and I get a lot of questions on the Ask a Math Question page about how do I do this, and the reason most everybody forgets from when they learn to do this in their math classes is because you don't do this very often and you just forget, and it's probably something that you're not going to see much in the future, but it is good to know how to do this and how it works. Another way to think about it is if you were going to add 25% to $1.30, you would multiply it by 1.25. And just think of it in reverse in terms of that. You're taking away 25%, so this time you're dividing it by the 1.25. Because remember, multiplication is fast addition, whereas division is fast subtraction. And so that is how you figure this out. And if you want a little bit of extra practice with that, just take your calculator and put in some real round numbers like 100. Multiply that by 1.25 and then divide it by 1.25. And what you'll see is a pattern that it'll go to 125 and then it'll go back down to 100. And that'll kind of click in your brain how this works.